Do you have a sense of how much of the code, like what percent of the code that's being written inside Microsoft at this point is written by AI
Yeah,
as opposed to by the engineers?
Okay, the first thing I want to say, honestly, this is literally the CEO of Meta, Mark Zuckerberg, interviewing, asking questions to the CEO of Microsoft. And people think these companies are enemies. No, they buddy, they work together. Okay, they partners. They all in the, in the game of making money. You understand what I'm saying? And so there's something they understand that we don't understand, right? And we need to start paying attention and start thinking different, especially as Muslims.
Maybe 20-30% of the code that is inside of our repos today in some of our projects are probably all written by software.
Wow. This is Microsoft. 30% of their code in their software is written by AI. Already. Already. In how long? In no time. That's Microsoft. And imagine how much code, like how large is their code base overall. And already 30% is by AI in a matter of a couple of years. Imagine what's gonna happen in the next 2 to 3 to 5 years. Because I'm telling you, a lot of people are building product now, 100% of the code being written by AI. I built several apps already using Build Fast, the Build Fast methodology that we developed, where 100% of the code is written by AI, where we write 0 lines of code. And I've seen many other people do that. People that didn't know anything about coding, didn't know how to write a single line of code, building software that is impressive without writing a single line of code. Just understanding the methodology and the approach and how to think, how to build, how to think like an engineer, how to think like a problem solver. And this is exactly what we teach at Build Fast. Take you from nothing to building applications, leveraging nothing but AI tools where it writes 100% of the code for you. Na'am, it's going to be challenges, it's going to be bugs, but we teach you how to deal with all of that. At the end of the day, bi'idhnillah, you'll be able to build an app that is usable, that can be shipped, that customers, clients can start using, and then you can scale from there.